when you have great ideas, you want to share that with your customer, because then the item that you love, that you sampled, that becomes irresistible for them. What we're going to do today for Valentine's Day is we are going to put a name right here. We're going to put Emily, and in place of the dot for the I and Emily, we're actually going to use a heart. That way it's for Valentine's Day, but then she can keep it forever, and it's not going to say Valentine's Day, but it's going to be in red, and then we're going to do her heart. Now on the back, the boyfriend wants to put love Jared. So let's get this monkey hooped and ready to go. It's super easy. They make it so easy for us, Embroider Buddy. I am going to take the stomach out, and then I'm going to take the head out. This is such a great quality fabric. It's unmatched. I've never seen quality like this. A nice zipper. And of course, they make it so easy for us. It goes completely flat. Love that. And on the monkey, there's a seam on the belly, so you don't even have to find the center, because the seam tells us exactly where the center is. So what I'm doing is I'm slipping in some backing. I'm slipping in some cutaway backing. I'm going to use my mighty hoop. I'm going to use my 5.5 mighty hoop. I'm just going to slip this in. And I'm going to use red thread, because I think the red thread is going to show up great on this color fabric. And then, like I say, it's going to say Valentine's Day without saying Valentine's Day. Okay, so it was less than 4 minutes because it was about 4,000 stitches. So I'm going to take this off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hoop the back. So whenever you're hooping the back, I'm going to use my regular 3.5-inch hoop. Make sure your backing is always big enough that it's going to completely cover your ring. So let's get the back of this hooped. So now we have the back hoop, and of course it's upside down, so I did turn my design upside down. And what I did was I decided to do white thread, because I think the white thread is going to show up better on the darker fabric. So I'm going to just trace it out, make sure that I like where it's going to be, and we're ready to go. Putting the name on the front with the heart was such a great idea for Valentine's Day. And there's no way that they're going to be able to resist putting their name on the back where it says Love Jared. So show customers your great ideas to get them inspired in plenty of time for Valentine's Day.